Hey guys, Mower Mayhem here again. What's up? Yeah. I finally got the wiring, well, most of the wiring done on the new daily driver / tow truck. I got the headlight in. That's my warning lights. Yeah, that's my tail lights. And my warning at the back. There's the dash. There's the voltage gauge, the choke, the ignition switch, the warning switch, and the water temp, and the light for the warning lights. It tells me that they're on. So yeah, I did get the battery mounted. That's where I wanted it really. Put the fuel cell in the back. There's a fuel cell out of a Murray. I just mounted it, and there was zip ties. So yeah, I'm not done with it, this build, so because I am gonna put these bars on here, something like that or something on both sides, and then I'm gonna probably put some underglows or something in here like Mad Scientist did, and I might put some lights inside the hood or something. So yeah, I got the hood mounted and all that. I ain't done with the wiring like I said. So yeah, that's pretty much, there's all the wiring. Yeah, it's a disaster. I'm gonna turn all this stuff on and let y'all see. Ignition. It's got your park light side in it too. There's the park lights. And the headlight. It's pretty bright. You can tell. It goes out pretty good. I like it. It'll work for what I'm using it for. I probably won't use it much during the day. The voltage gauge does work. There's the light in it. No, I didn't look at that one for some reason. Here we go. There's the light in that one. Yeah. First click is park lights and headlights. Second click is ignition. And third is start. So yeah, there's that. Here's warning mode. Said turns that light on. You can hear the clicking. Yeah, that's the relay and the turn signal flasher. Oh, it is a railroad crisscross pattern deal, like a railroad track. But mine are amber and red instead of just amber or red. See the back. Railroad crossing deal. Yep. That's pretty much it on this build, or this update of it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and please look forward to the rest of this build, because we are going to be doing a bunch of upgrades to this thing, because I'm not done with it. I still got to build exhaust, get the side bars on it, a couple more gauges, the lights for the side bars for the interior and stuff, fuel line ran, back tires put on it, and a shifter made. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.